Introducing Lung Disease Prediction, an AI-driven web app that analyzes chest X-rays to detect pneumonia and lung cancer within seconds. Designed for efficiency and accessibility, this tool enables clinicians, researchers, and students to quickly analyze chest X-rays using deep learning, all through an intuitive web interface. The project is developed using Python and Flask for the backend, TensorFlow and Keras for deep learning models, HTML and CSS for clean, formal frontend, and render for live cloud deployment. Users can choose between pneumonia or lung cancer prediction. After uploading an X-ray, the app loads the appropriate model, processes the image, and returns a prediction with a confidence score. The models were trained on open-source datasets using data augmentation, class balancing, and optimized CNN architectures, including transfer learning for improved accuracy. Here's the full flow. The user selects a disease type, uploads an X-ray image, Flask routes the request to the backend. The selected deep learning model preprocesses the image. It predicts and returns a result, and the web UI displays the label and confidence instantly. 2 custom-trained CNN models are used. One for pneumonia, trained on thousands of labeled chest X-rays, and one for lung cancer, trained on both normal and malignant cases with class balancing. Both models achieve high validation accuracy and support rapid inference with minimal server load. The app is deployed on Render using a production-grade Unicorn server. It's accessible via a secure URL for hackathon judging, demos, or public access. Lung disease prediction combines the power of AI with a clean interface to support faster diagnosis. It's fast, accurate, and scalable, with future plans to add grad-CM visualization and multi-disease detection. Thank you for watching. Try the live app today and see real-time AI diagnostics in action, built to save time and potentially lives.